Suprabhat everyone. My name is Nimesh Shukla and here I am to play a role play. In the role play I am performing Gautam Buddha.
Pradam. My name is Vijay Kumar Singh from Prayagraj. In this play, my role is villager from Shravasti.
My name is Rakesh Kumar from Mathurauli, Aligarh. I am villagers.
Namaskar, my name is Sudhir Kumar Saxena from Puranpur to Pilibhit. In this role play, my character is Angli Mal.
नमस्कार, my name is Mahesh Kumar from Swasti Shiksha Niketan, Niyamtabad, Chandauli. In play, my role is a villager of Shravasti.
Namaskar, I am Akhilesh Kumar Yadav. In this play, I am as a villager.
Bhiksham de, Bhiksham de, Bhiksham de. Why no one is in the street? What happened to the village? Bhiksham de. Mate, please come outside. Bhiksham de. Children, where are you? Bhiksham de. What happened to the village? Where are they? No one is here. Bhiksham de.
Mahatma, why are you roaming outside? Please come inside and sit here.
Okay. What happened? Why are you so afraid?
Mahatma, there was a monster robber is spotted near our Shravasti.
Okay.
Angliman.
So, who? Angliman? Who Angliman?
He is dangerous robber and man killer and man eater. All of person are afraid of him.
He is a man eater. He does not take wealth. He is a man eater.
Do not kill for money. He kill for only finger and make a garments.
Then I have to go talk to Anglimal. From here, I am going straight to Anglimal. I think he will understand, and from today he will not make you in trouble. From today, he will take care of yourself. Okay, I am going.
Stop, Mahatma, stop. Stop, Mahatma, stop.
No.
Otherwise, he will kill you.
No.
Otherwise, he will kill you.
No, he will not kill me, and I am not afraid of anything. I will go there and talk to Anglimal. Please take care of yourself. Stay here. I will come back after some time. Okay? You remain here. Take care of yourself and of your children also. I am going to Anglimal.
Hey, Jogi! Stop! 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 I ordered to stop. Why not stop?
I have stopped there. It is you to have to stop.
You are not afraid.
No, why
I am killer to you.
Why you kill me? I am not afraid of you.
I am savage.
You are not a savage. You are just a human.
I will kill to you.
Why you will kill?
My target is murder to the and cut off finger.
No. Nobody take trouble you.
Humans are not capable of a love or compositions.
Listen. Be calm. It is not you to kill anybody. You go and pluck the leaf of a tree. You cannot stick again to a leaf to a tree. Then how you kill you anybody? Why you kill you?
Don't actually leave. It is not possible. And I wanted to are you are Buddha?
I am Buddha and you yes, I am Buddha, but listen, you should love everybody. Love is nothing. To love is something, and to love and be loved is everything. So, my dear Anglimar, behave properly. The people in villages are very in trouble, are in very trouble. So, I think you should not hate them. They are not they do not do anything of hating. It is said, do not hate anybody. If you hate someone, you hate something in him that is a part of yourself. So,
do you guide your pupil at the
I
eye?
never guide any people. You should behave. Therefore, I suggest you also be in love. Take care of my persons in villages. Okay?
I am a student. I am motivated to you.
You
And
be my disciple, but I will not suggest you to be a disciple of anyone. Be calm, love everybody. This is the only thing I want from you. Okay?
I decided from today I will not cry. Buddha
nice, very
Saranam Gaccham.
Very nice.
Buddha Saranam Gaccham. Buddha Saranam Gaccham.
Very nice.